If your roof shingles are beginning to resemble curled pages instead of lying flat, don't press them down and assume the problem is solved. Curling is a symptom, and its pattern tells you whether you have one damaged shingle or an aging roof. Start from the ground and answer one question. Is the curling isolated or widespread? One or two lifted edges may come from wind, a failed adhesive strip, or poor fastening. If the shingles remain flexible, unbroken, and otherwise healthy, a roofer may be able to reseal them or replace only those pieces. Curling across an entire slope tells a different story. Asphalt shingles gradually lose oils and protective granules as they age. The material becomes dry and stiff, and the edges begin turning upward. When curling appears alongside cracking, faded patches, exposed fiberglass, or granules collecting heavily in the gutters, individual repairs are unlikely to last. A younger roof can curl too. Go into the attic, if it is safely accessible, and look for trapped heat, condensation, blocked vents, or damp roof decking. Excessive heat and moisture beneath the roof can accelerate shingle deterioration from the underside. Installation can also be responsible. Shingles placed over an uneven old roof, warped decking, or poorly aligned fasteners may never remain flat. In that case, gluing down visible edges treats the appearance without correcting the surface beneath them. Here is what to do now. Photograph each affected slope, inspect the attic, and gently assess whether an accessible shingle is flexible or brittle. Don't bend it in cold weather. Flexible, isolated curling may be repairable. Brittle or widespread curling calls for a complete roof condition assessment. The curve itself is not the full diagnosis. The number of affected shingles, and the condition beneath them, reveals what your roof is actually telling you.